Hello everyone, how are we all? I was deciding this week what I'm going to do. I want to do something a bit different, if you get what I mean. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to travel a bit. Just on the train, you know, just somewhere like an hour away maximum or somewhere like that. And I'm going to do, because our Wetherspoons is absolutely rubbish. It's terrible. I'm going to do a few Wetherspoons for the week. Different ones, different cities, and just see what they're like. Somewhere nice and cheap, and jump on the train or whatever, on the bus, and then pop and do them. So today I thought I'd start in my old stomping ground of Tamworth, the Bowl Bridge. I have been there, but not on video. I haven't. I've been there a long time ago, before we moved away from here. But it's all been refurbed apparently, and that. So we're going to pop there. It's got a 3.5-star review on TripAdvisor. So we're going to have a pop and we'll have a look. Building work going on. Look, this used to be a big, massive old co-ops store. It used to be like 4 stories high. They've knocked it all down now. They're turning it into a college apparently. That's what they're doing there. But there's a college just up the road, so we're going to have loads of kids hanging around all the shops at dinner time. It's going to be havoc. Yes, we're going to go to Wetherspoons. We've got a beer garden, so I'll probably sit in there. And it's a warmish day. And we'll get some grub. And I thought, because I know with different Wetherspoons, some people say they're nice and some people say they're rubbish, don't they? So I thought, well, let's go and do a couple. Because Wetherspoons is cheap, but ours is terrible, man. It really is. So I thought, well, you know, let's do that this week and just have a pop along and see. And then at the end of the video, I'll have a look on, I don't know, train line or something, and we'll see where I'll get some more or something like that. Just have a mooch, and what I've decided what we're going to do, the nearest Wetherspoons to the train station. That's what I'm going to do. Because obviously some cities you're going to have loads, ain't you? So that's what I'm going to do. The nearest one to a train station, I'll do that. That'll be the fairest way. I'm not going to have the same food all the time. Just want to see what it's actually like, you know. And what the staff's like and that and all that stuff. Anyway, I'm nearly there now. There it is, the Bowl Bridge. Let's go and have a look. I've ordered my food, didn't show you that bit in there. I've had chicken jalfrezi with a garlic naan. That's what I've had, and a Coke. £10 with a garlic naan, I think it was £10.30. £10, what do you say? £10.39p with a garlic naan. That's what I've had. I'll tell you what, yeah, it's been done out in the last time I come here. So it looks a lot nicer now than it was before. But yeah, I thought that's what I'll do today, just this week, just pop around a few, nice and cheap, penny, and decide where I'm going to get some more and have a look. I'll do that now while I'm waiting for my food, couldn't I? So obviously I can't go right down south from London and places like that. But I can go localish, can't I? Localish areas. Let's have a look. So I think I might go to Derby tomorrow. Get to the nearest Wetherspoons in Derby, maybe. If anyone's in Derby and wants to pop along and say hello, yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll go to Derby tomorrow. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Right, we'll wait for the food to come. Well, food's here, and it looks and smells delicious. Let me show you. A couple of nice crispy poppadoms, look. So don't blow everywhere. Hello, Babby, you okay? There's the jalfrezi. The rice. And the garlic naan. Oh yeah. Right. Let's tuck in. Okay, it's tuck in. Got a sore throat, you know, this bloody hay fever, man. Hope you can hear me properly. Right, I'm going to start off with a papadum. There it is. Let's get it in. Get it in the sauce. And let's have a crack. They'll be camping from 2 o'clock, but they'll be in the queue. They won't be let in till about 5. So you go at 4. You won't have to wait in the queue. You won't have to be there early. They're not bad. They're not bad at all. They're okay. Oh. Let's try. A little bit of rice. You see, it's not mushy. It's mushy. That's not mushy. Not a lot of flavour, but it's not mushy. Let's have a little bit of naan bread. Garlic naan. Got a bit of garlic. I want better. But for what it is, yeah, I suppose. Now it's onto the curry, which is the main one, isn't it? Bit of chicken. So we're going to get this all down my top. I know it. A little bit of a kick. Yeah, see. Chicken's a little bit overdone, but apart from that, it's got the flavour. And it's better than ours in Lichfield, so that's a good sign. And like I always says, some Wetherspoons are different, and I can't understand. Now this, I'll enjoy. If it was ours, I wouldn't. So there we go then, another bit of chicken. It's got the charcoal on there. Charcoal colour. I'm going to quite enjoy this. Right, let's tuck in properly. Get the rice. I like to have my curry on me rice. Like so. And a bit of both. Nice little crack. Oh, my throat. Ooh. Cheers. Big ears. No bread.
Well, whatever it is, it's nearly swamped sometimes, you can't understand.
I'm quite enjoying this. Right, I'm going to go and eat it now. And I'll let you know at the end. Well, it is quite nice for Wetherspoons. Well guys, what can I say about that then? The Bowl Bridge, Wetherspoons, the Bowl Bridge in Tamworth. Pretty impressed really, pretty impressed. Yes, we know it's all that sort of food, but the bar staff are absolutely brilliant. Come and chatted and wants to know, you know, about the channel and everything else. And very polite. The food was a lot better than ours. Yeah, all in all, as I said with Wetherspoons, some are good, some are bad, and I don't know how, but they are. So, what am I going to give that? Now, TripAdvisor give it a 3.5. I'm going to get a 4 for what it is. A tenner, weren't it? Was it £10.31p or something? I think it was. I'm going to get a 4 out of 5 for what it is. Don't forget, you're not getting gourmet, are you? You're getting Wetherspoons food. But it goes to show you that some Wetherspoons are better than others. Now, on to tomorrow. Yeah, and we'll see what that brings. So, till the next time, bye for now. And there is the Spudman. I don't know if you can see him. Hey. Let's have a quick look, see if he's there. Give him a quick shout. No, he's not there.
Yeah, that's it.
See you later guys, bye bye.